This tutorial shows you how to automatically warm your screen's colors at set times. First, click on the Start menu and open Settings. After that, click on System. From there, click on Display. At this point, tap on Night Light. In the next step, toggle it on at the top. Following this, drag the slider below it to adjust how warm or cool you want the tint to appear. Once done, tap on Schedule Night Light to set specific times. From here, choose between sunset to sunrise or set hours for a custom schedule. At this stage, if you select Set Hours, enter your preferred turn on and turn off times manually. Keep in mind, choosing sunset to sunrise requires location access to accurately calculate timing based on where you are. Finally, close the settings window once your schedule is set, and Nightlight will now activate automatically going forward. And that's it. If this guide helped you enable Nightlight scheduling in Windows 11, give it a like, subscribe for more Windows tutorials, and tap the bell icon for updates. See you in the next one.